Welcome everyone, and welcome Blaine as our new subscriber. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Wonderful, good, beautiful London morning. How is everybody doing? As you can see, the Starship Enterprise is still back up. I mean, already back up there. Joey, good morning. Welcome. Hope everybody's doing great. Well, we are in a very difficult spot here because Oliver, hey there. Morning. We are in a place where nobody has ever gone before. Only Starship Enterprise. So nobody knows what the hell is going on, Also ES, same thing. Nobody has been here before. Nobody. What should we do? I have no idea. It's going up like crazy. Look at this. Volume is coming in. It's like... well, Powell was speaking and he was very dovish. And... which means... good news hit the market. Everything is good. It seems like that the recession is not going to be... even the soft landing is not going to be soft landing, basically. Hey, Trader Oracle, how you doing? Nice to see you. So, good news hit the market. Powell was, it was very cool. Nothing serious. What's the opposite of not being serious? So, he was cool. He was... seems like that the economy is doing okay. Nobody cares about anything and everything is very optimistic. So we are going for all-time highs here. No targets in the deep space here. I don't know where we're going. Nobody knows where we're going. So it is what it is. Guys, I think this is one of those days, and we may see a few of these days this year where you just don't have any target. I mean, where do you want to go, really? What is a reasonable target? I mean, we can go with some whole numbers, but we are making history at this moment. Guys, we are making history right now. And if you guys want to jump into a long, that would be just really like a roulette table or something. I don't know. This is typically a day when you just don't know what to do. The only thing, of course, I would be favoring is if we could just, short. I mean, this would just dump a little bit and take out some Asia lows here, maybe here. This would be nice as a sell side liquidity. But honestly, I don't know. Sell side liquidity right there. This is typically the no trade area. Like, seriously. Guys, this is like, if we want to be real honest, this London session is like one of those sessions where, you should just close the charts and go on with your day. Because there's nothing to do. Nothing to do. No targets. I don't like the situation when... it's a very unique situation because, 90% of the time we have some measurement or some price targets that we can look for if we look to the left. Now, if you look to the left, you see nothing. Absolutely nothing in this area. So, I think everybody is waiting for a good short position to happen. But it's not going to happen, I think. So yeah. This could be a short here. Maybe this one. But I don't know. Market structure shift here. Maybe a target right there. Let me look at the 15-minute time frame. Look at the 15-minute. That's nothing. Absolutely nothing. A little bit of a sell side here with a fair value gap on the 15-minute. We can put it here. I'm gonna. The low is 606.50, 606. So this is relatively equal lows at 606.50. Okay, that works. 606.50. Let me just check it out. Yeah, so this area is the only possible target. 15-minute fair value gap. Otherwise, that's it. If I look at the 1 hour, look at this. Wow. Absolute madness here. Sell side on the 1 hour. Yeah. Let's put a sell side liquidity marker here on the 1 hour. Yeah, that's it. 18,631. 90% will go or are short now, but algorithm has other plans, obviously. Yeah, I'm Oliver, you're absolutely right. I think a lot of people, not just retail, even institutions, I think there's a ton of shorts here in this area. Everybody lined up to short this market, but it's just wants to look at this. It's still strong. It's going higher. And honestly, this is typically the area where, you know, what would you do? The only thing I would be looking for, of course, as well as is a short to target that 15-minute fair value gap here. That would be a possibility. Let's put the price back there. That's it. That's the only thing I would look for. Nothing else. Nothing else. Market structure shift, maybe target those lows, and yeah, that's it. That's about it. Bob, good morning. How you doing, Bob? How are you guys doing? Hope everybody is good. Drop those likes. You know, push it. Push it to the limit. I was watching some YouTube earlier. Okay. Push it to the limit. Let's see. All right. So what do you guys think? Anything that you guys are looking for? Let me know. DJ, hey there. Good morning, Tom. How are you and everybody? Everybody is doing okay. We are making history, DJ. So, David, good morning. Guys, we are making history together. So, welcome to the stream. This is a historical moment to see these prices. Wanna trade? Hey, guys. How you doing? How is everybody on this wonderful London morning? Nobody has ever been here before, only the Starship Enterprise. That's why it's a nostalgic moment right now, guys. But seriously, what can we do? I mean, the only thing I could do is wait for a short. Nothing else. Nothing else. Market structure shift here, maybe. Just pointing this. Well, I'm gonna put it here. Bearish market structure shift. That's what I would be looking for. Targeting that 15-minute fair value gap. Sell side here. Yeah. Everybody is holding some, I mean, definitely lots of shorts here stacked up like crazy, and that's why it's moving up, moving up. I'm waiting. Oh, I'm waiting. Not just for a break. I'm waiting for a displacement and the close below. So not just for a simple break. I'm waiting for much more than that. If we get down there, and I still don't have my coffee. Now, what do you guys think? Should I, if this one turns out to be a valid entry, should I just take it? It is a super classic ICT short setup. Who cares about ICT anymore, right? No, we all do care because we love him. So, but this is a short setup here, planning out. Only if this would close below, what's the low of this candle? Below 629.50. Only that case. 629.50. So, okay, seems like the break happened. The break happened. Of course they can. Yeah. It is. That's why it is a little bit tricky here. It's a little bit tricky. Hold on just a second. All right. Tom, I had a trade on last night and it's still running. It's a shame it's just 1 micro. Yeah. It's cool. 578 up. Okay, about, wow, nice. 150 now. Do you think we'll take the dollar and run or wait a bit longer? Well, DJ, it's It's a good question, honestly. Mm, I don't like to make these decisions for you. Honestly, I wouldn't even thought that we are going to make it above 600, even if we would have. I mean, I thought yesterday if we make it above 600, then we should be seeing some kind of a dip much lower. So yeah. Yeah, well, as you can see, it's going up. So just like Joey said, they can just rip it higher. DJ, maybe what you can do is you can just, you know, trail it with your stop loss to some swing lows. So, for example, you can put a stop loss here at 618. Or if you want to be real aggressive, you can just put your stop loss at 628 and you can just trail it here. And if it takes you out, then at least fate will decide for you. Basically, that's one thing you can do, DJ. Put your stop here at 618, or put it to 627.28. And if it wants to tank, worst case scenario, the market is going to take you out there, and that's it. And if it will still rip higher for the next swing, you can just trail it with your stop. That's my advice to you. So you can just go with the trend. It's a very good position you're in. Lock in your profits with a stop and trail it up there. And if it starts to tank, then you will know when to exit. That is my advice. All right, let's check. No problem there, TJ. Marco, good morning. Oh man, I don't know what can we expect here on this market. Mm-mm-mm. I want to trade R1. Well, it could be 648. The whole numbers could be the only thing that could be, well, let's just say important in this scenario. So watch out for the 50s and for the hundreds right now. There's nothing else to say. Yeah, Powell said, "Money printer, go." He was dovish. Everything was optimistic. Soft landing is not even going to be an issue. Soft landing is not even going to be an issue. Look at this. It's just ripping. Next level could be at the 50-ish level. Let's put a line there. 50. All right. What do we have? Now I'm checking some charts, but there's nothing to do at this point. I'm shorting when it reaches 21,000. Actually, it's not even that. I mean, it's not even a thing that is impossible. So I can definitely see this one go all the way to 20K, guys. This one can go to 20K like anytime. Yeah, but if you're not looking for shorts, what are we looking for? Share. Hey there. Hello. Yesterday I lost some money on FOMC. I'm very lost. How can I get out of this situation? It's really hard to continue after. Yeah, it is. It is definitely hard to get out of a situation like this. First of all, never trade FOMC. I mean, you can if you know what you're doing, but let's face it, even I can't trade FOMC. I can't. I'm unable to trade FOMC. So I'm not trading it. I'm also not trading NFP. So because I can't. So that's the first thing. At least, this is going to be a valuable lesson, Share. I know it hurts. I have been in the same situation, Share. I have been in the same situation. I know it hurts. I know, but this is a good lesson for you, and you're going to remember this, to not trade. So yeah, first that. The second thing you can do, I always say go back to a demo. I mean, I used to say go back to a demo account, but if you have a little bit of extra money left, not too much, like a few bucks here and there, buy a prop firm account. You don't have to buy it through me. I don't care. I'm not saying because of that. Buy a prop firm account and start a new evaluation account, because you must feel the pressure. You must stay in the flow. I know it sounds weird, but go on with the new prop firm account, and this time go super slow positions, very slow positions. The most important thing, Share, is to regain confidence in your trading strategy. So you must regain some confidence, and confidence will only going to come back to you, trust me, if you can make it at least first step. Go on with 1 week trading small size. You don't have to aim for profits at all. Just keep the account. Go into the market if you want to trade every day as a day trader. Just go into the market. If you see a trade, you can take it, but go with micros. And let that be your first goal for 1 week only. For 1 week. Just do not lose the account first, and keep the account balance in positive. That's all. And trust me, after 1 week, you're going to feel much better. But don't go crazy after that. And after your first week, go for the next week. And then aim to keep the account for 30 days. And yes, you are going to get rebuild for the evaluation account. So what? In the other case, you're going to blow 10 more accounts if you go YOLO in. So just get rebuilt. Who cares? That should be a good goal. That is a very good goal. Just keep the account for 1 week. Your confidence is most important to regain right now. You have to regain that right now. Just a second. I have to take an important phone call. All right. Sorry. Thanks, bro. You're so kind. Trading is something so hard because you can make... Yeah, of course. Hey, it's no problem. Love from Pakistan. Shout out for Pakistan. Applause. All right. Just remember this, Cher. The first thing, your goal is to regain confidence. And confidence, you forget about the money. Really, Cher, forget about the money. It's not going to happen for you. It's not going to happen for me in 3 weeks. Accept the fact that you're not going to make money from this in a month. It's not going to happen. It's technically impossible, and otherwise it's impossible because it's not. I'm not going to make money from this in 3 weeks because I have to get these accounts to funded, and I know I cannot do it with trading minis, and you know what I mean. So the first goal, gain confidence by only going with small, keep the accounts. That's it. Nothing more. Don't aim for anything else right now. And also make sure you have a proper entry system. Okay, you have an entry model. Make sure you have an entry model. Over the weekend, go over some backtesting. Do some backtesting, collect some data, do some notes, And also journal your trades. You don't have to journal every single trade, I think. That's what I think. But write down what you did wrong or right during the day. If you did something right, also write that down. I know it sounds stupid, but it works for me and it worked for others. And trust me, it can work for you. Just write down a few sentences, what you did right, what you did wrong. It can be a single note, you know, like this. I'm doing this, you know. Nothing special. Just write it down. It doesn't have to be a fancy software or something. Just write down a few stuff. It will help you, and read it back. Best tip. Okay, now this is a little bit of sarcasm there, but yeah, you get it. Yeah, yesterday we officially announced that this is going to be a psychological aid. This stream is going to be an aid. So yeah. All right, let's see. Guys, well, we are at this is basically nowhere. We are at nowhere right now. Well, what can we do? We're just waiting. Let me put on a ES chart right here. Hold on. Where is ES chart? I don't want to flip back and forth between NQ and ES, so I'm just going to open a new tab for ES. Let's open up a new tab for ES. Okay, same goes at ES right now. Okay, nothing. Well, boys and girls, it is what it is. I need to check Google Maps to find EM. I like that. That's a good one. That's a good one. That deserves a laugh. I think we go a little higher, and for New York they will bring lower so bulls can't re-enter. Maybe. Gaurav, hey there, huge applause. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, Gaurav. Good to see you, my man. All right. So there's, you know, nothing to do here. I mean, I wish there was. We should be piercing the 650. It's very close. I'm not gonna scalp it. If you guys wanted to, you can jump in for a few points here. I'm not going to do that. At this point, it would be extremely dangerous. By the way, everyone, please push the like button. Help us support the stream. You know, help me support the stream. Thank you. Marco, I forgot your... Tom, can you check new prop firm FlexiTrade? I forgot to read that. Sorry, Marco. FlexiTrade. You can check it. FlexiTrade. FlexiTrade. Let's check out FlexiTrade. New prop firm. Always be careful with new prop firms. Most likely they're operating from a basement or something. Okay. Rhythmic quant hour. Flexible rules. Okay. FlexiTrade. Interesting. One-time payment with no recurring fees. Okay. Is this a futures prop firm? It is. Look at that. 50K account. Right now. One-time payment. $17.09. One-time payment. So no monthly? This is not a monthly? Quant hour license included. Market data included. Max contract 6. This is interesting. No daily loss. No scaling. They have a Twitter account. They have 28 followers. Interesting. They really like to go with the bulls. Is this guy the CEO? Is he the CEO of the company? Pay once, endless trading opportunities. I think this guy is the CEO. He should be. I think so. Yeah. 100% positive that this guy is the CEO. And where is it? Wyoming. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it's in Wyoming. All right. Well, not much to think about this. He is the CEO, and it seems like that's it. Is this an easy way to make money? Okay, so that's all the information. Oh, look at that. 50 has been tagged. Hit the 50. Nice. We hit the 50. Nice, nice, nice. Guys, there is a construction happening at the other end. At the other neighbor. Huge building. So I'm a little bit confused because I think from now on, the morning sessions are going to be a little bit loud. I have to, you know, reset some things on the microphone, put on a noise gate or something, because you guys might not hear it, or you might will, but there is a huge construction going on next to me, and I'm telling you guys, this is tough to concentrate. So the 50 level has been tagged. You hear nothing. That's good, because that means the microphone still has the noise gate on. I mean, it's working, but it's getting louder and louder because they are drilling and everything. I can actually show you. If you guys want to see, I can show you a live camera feed. If you guys are interested, a live camera feed. For what it's worth. If you guys want to see a live camera from my window, I can show you actually, if you guys are interested. You guys want to see live camera? Really? Let me connect my camera for you guys. How do I do that? Droid cam. Okay. Okay. No, nothing there. All right, let me see. Okay. You guys can't see it this way. They actually construct, yeah. But how do I put this on? I have to put the sources, video capture device, droid cam, droid at source, droid cam source. There you go. Close. Now you guys can see it, right? All right. Oh no. This has just lost it. Oh, I'll be right back. I'm gonna show you what's happening, all right? Yeah. So this is what's happening right now. Right here. Did you guys like the droid cam? I hope you did. All right. So huge construction, and they're making a lot of noise. Yeah. Heavy duty jobs here. Well, I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen here. We're pretty much high. No sign of any kind of retracement or whatsoever. Oh, Robert Milliken just subscribed. Thank you so much for joining the channel. Welcome, welcome. Move your spaceship a little up. Yeah, I'm moving it. I'm moving it. I don't know really where it's gonna go. I have no idea. I only joined because of the starship. Good, good. You know, we all love Star Trek, but you know, thanks for the honesty, Robert. Thanks for joining. I'm just, you know, only Enterprise have been here before. I mean, nobody has ever gone before here, so that's why it's so hard to you know, predict targets. We are making history here. If you go higher, you may need a Voyager instead. Oh yeah. Oh, hold on. Yeah, that's even better. Hold on. Let's put Voyager. That was Voyager 1, right? That's even better. Let's go with Voyager 1. Hold on. MAD7. MAD7. It's even better. Thanks for the thank you. Oh no. That was a good idea, actually. That was a good idea. It's even better. Okay, this is Voyager 1. There you go. So let's put Star Trek away. I'm sorry. Voyager 1. This is much more better. No Warhammer in chat. Yeah. First time finding the channel. Oh, that's great, Robert. Well, please do not unsubscribe after I put Voyager 1 out there. What did we learn yesterday? Do not trade FOMC, first of all. That's the most important. One of the most important things. Never ever trade FOMC. And the other thing, what did we learn yesterday? I don't know. Joey, remind me. What did we learn yesterday? No trading London. Oh, yeah, definitely. So yesterday I was struggling. I was a little bit lucky to be able to scalp back my losses. But, you know, trading London session before FOMC, I mean, trading London before FOMC is definitely, well, it's dangerous. Let's just say that. It's devil dangerous. But gear up, guys. We have a lot of discounts. So use them wise. Really. Apex gives you, by the way, a very, very good opportunity to trade here. The My Funded Futures code is still good for 30% discount from the starter. There is some rumor that there's going to be a 50% discount until the end of the month on the starter accounts at My Funded Futures. So that's going to be awesome. I'm going to let you guys know if that hits the news. And TOPSTEP gives you 20% discount on a new registration. Just use my link. That's how simple. BULENOX has the cheapest option right now. So far, BULENOX is a company we trust, but they have the cheapest option, but only for the first month. Only for the first month. So keep that in mind. All right. All right. Okay, so I can tell you a story, guys. If you guys, it's trading related, but it's a little bit personal and it's trading related too. You guys want to hear it? If no, I'm not gonna tell it. If anyone is interested, I'm gonna tell you guys. It's a little bit of a personal life thing, but it's trading related. So it has a story. Yes. All right. Okay. So I know someone in person. I actually referred a few people to trading here in my country because they were excited to see me on YouTube and to trade, blah, blah, blah. And so I referred some of them to try out some prop firms, but that's not the deal. And the thing is that one of them, who I know in person, is actually putting too much money into trading and to these prop firms. There is two guys, actually. I know one guy who has a lot of money. And there's this other guy who's actually don't really have much money. He had some money. Like he had like, I don't know, like $10,000-$15,000 saved up. And since last year, he pretty much failed a lot of challenges, a lot of evaluation accounts. I always told him what not to do, because he calls me on my phone. By the way, earlier this stream, he called me. He was the one who called me earlier this stream. And so he lost only yesterday. Yesterday, he pissed away like 5 expert accounts at my funded futures only yesterday, and also like 2 challenge accounts at FTMO. Yeah, FTMO. And the thing is, he lost some accounts and he is down very much on money. And the thing is that his mother, unfortunately, she's dying. She's in the hospital and she's gonna die, and it's a very sad thing. She's gonna pass away, but he just did a very, very, very bad thing. I don't know him in person. I mean, I know him, but I don't know him that close. And he spent the rest of his money that should be for the funeral on challenge accounts. He just pissed away the last of his money that was for his mother's funeral on evaluation and challenge accounts. And he told me yesterday in my time, after 10 p.m. I was like, what the hell is he going for, like after 10 p.m.? And he was telling me that he lost the money for the funeral. And he's just calling me on the phone that if I can help him to pay a little bit money for his mother's funeral. And I just don't know what to do. And the bad thing about this is, as he tells me that please help me because actually, you know, you were the one who introduced me. Hold on, Greg, hold on. You were the one who introduced me to these shitty prop firms, you know, these effing shitty prop firms who are always messing me up and blah blah blah. And you introduced me to these prop firms, and I'm very, very sad right now, but you introduced me and you told me to take this prop firm and take that prop firm because they could be okay. And now I don't have enough money to bury my mother, who is dying right now in hospital. And please, if you can, help me with some money, not just a few dollars, I'm saying it in dollars, but at least with a few $100 if you can. Please help me out so I can bury my mother. This is 100% honest to God. This is the truth, I'm telling you. Honest to God and Jesus, who I believe in, this is what happened. And he tells me that, hey man, I mean, you're a great guy. I see what you're doing, you're trading and blah, 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 and it's cool. But, you know, I lost a lot of money. And, you know, basically you introduced me to this. And you know, these prop firms are just taking away my money. And I said to him, like, man, I did not know that the last single dollar you had, which is for your mother's funeral, you spent it on evaluation account. Why is that my fault that you spent your last money, which was for your mother's funeral, on evaluation account? I mean, this is like, I don't even know what to think or what to feel, or this is like, I don't know. What do you guys think? So now I have to feel guilt, and I'm actually feeling guilt right now that I told this guy where he can buy evaluation accounts or challenge accounts and how, but it was last year, so it was more than a year ago, and he's buying these accounts, you know, occasionally. And yesterday he was full tilt, so it was yesterday during FOMC. Yesterday he was full tilt, and he pissed away like, I don't know, I don't even remember, 3 to 4, I don't know, a few expert accounts. And also FTMO. So he spent like quite a few $100. I think maybe 1,000, or I don't know, maybe more. Must be more. Yesterday on FOMC, while his mother is dying in hospital, and that money was for the funeral. And now he's calling me yesterday evening, late evening, and this morning that help him out with money so he can bury his mother. So, what would you do? What do you think? What would you do if you were me? What? Because this is mental right now. This is mental. This is really mental. I don't know. What? I mean, I wouldn't do it at all. He's not taking responsibility for his own actions. I'd never forced him. I actually didn't even know he's buying these accounts because he sometimes, I mean, I didn't even get referral commission because I was emailing My Funded Futures that he used my code, and I did not get a referral or commission. So at that point, I didn't even care. So I just let him go. I mean, I told him, you can always use my code. I don't care that much. It was just interesting. So anyway, I never forced him. I didn't even know that he was still trading with FTMO, because I told him that if he's interested in futures, then just leave them. Not that FTMO is bad. They're good. But anyway, having a market structure shift, by the way, right here. Any one of you guys have the balls to short this? I don't have the balls to short this. So who's to say he won't spend the money you give him on evals again? Yeah. Like an uncle is blaming you that you showed him where the liquor store. Yeah, something like that, actually, Joey. Something like that. Sounds like he has a gambling problem. Now I see. I didn't see that before. But now I see he has a gambling problem. I also would feel guilt about it. It's not your fault at all, but I wouldn't feel... I mean, I feel a little bit guilt because I didn't know that yesterday he spent the last of his money for the funeral on evaluation account. This is like, man, I don't know. Anyway, you guys are interested to take a short here? Let me know. Can go in with 3 micros. How about that? Maybe 2 micros. All right, it's going down. No entry on me right now. No entry. I mean, imagine you're spending the money for your mother's funeral while she is dying in hospital, and you're spending the money on evaluation account, the funeral money on evaluation account. And I'm calling up the guy like, hey, you introduced me to prop firms. Please help me out if you can, because I'm in huge trouble. I'm in huge trouble. I have to pay out the funeral, and I just couldn't say anything. Like, what the hell are you talking about, man? I mean, 49.50, 49. I'm putting a limit order at 49.50, by the way. Limit order at 49.50. Nothing special, only 2 micros. Actually, 49.25. 49.25. Limit order at 49.25. So I was like, man, what are you talking about? I mean, I'm going to show you just a second. Okay, so can you guys... you can't see it. Where is this? Anyway, I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna show you in just a second. So I feel very much frustrated since yesterday evening, because now I feel a little bit of guilt here. He has put this into my head, and okay, so this is my limit order, just showing. Just a second. All right, so this is my limit order right now. Only 2 micros, nothing special. Nothing special, only 2 micros, like $60 loss. It's fine by me. It took a short. Yeah, he's trying to emotionally blackmail you. If he needs money, he could go to bank and get a loan. Yeah, I think so. I think so. I think so. I had a Polish friend just like him, but he was very rich from his past business, and I slowly witnessed him losing all his money in trading. He got addicted to gambling on charts. I think that could be the issue with this guy too. I mean this can be this is actually a profession. This can be done professionally, not by gambling like crazy. All right, I'm deleting my positions. No limit order. This one shifted down a little bit more. Maybe take a short here. So yeah, FOMC Algo City, you would hurting him, enabling his degenerate gambling if you give him money at this point. Yeah, good morning, FX Entropy. Dorcas, hey there, good morning. Why can't he? He actually has a job. He actually has a job, but he's not making enough money from that, so. This is like unbelievable, honestly. I don't know what to think of this. I would like to short this and target the 15-minute fair value gap down there. So let me measure some risk here. Okay, I'm gonna put a limit order. I'm gonna put a limit order at 37. So my limit order is at 37 right now. I got filled at 37. My stop loss is at 49. Let me show you. There it is. So here, might get taken out. My target will be, well, let's see. Where could be the target? I'd like to see the 618 level to be taken, but that's not enough. 618. You know what? I would walk away with 619. That's not a 1 to 2. That's just a smaller trade. I would walk away with 619. Maybe take one micro off and let the rest of it ride all the way down to 605. We'll see how price is going to behave until then. I think everybody is short right now, so this is why I only took two micros on this with a $50 of loss limit. If it takes me out, then it takes me out. If I look at the 5 minute, it could be just a pullback, but because right now we are in a 15-minute fair value gap, but maybe the swing low can be taken. Yeah, so it goes here. That would be fine on the 1 hour if it would pull back to the 1 hour. So that's my trade for now. Yeah, let's see. So interesting story for sure. Interesting. And I don't know what to tell him. I told him that I'm going to call him back because I'm trading and streaming now. So anyway, it's interesting. This is a high risk short because the market is super bullish. So this is a very, very, very high risk short. I strongly advise you guys not to take this trade. Even if you take it, go with a very, very small size because I don't feel confident about this at all. But if I look at the 15-minute, there are a lot of sell side liquidity down there. So who knows, maybe we'll get lucky. I mean, even if we just look at today, it would be great if we could retest below 600. That would be a good scenario. I'm happy if I can walk away with this swing low. It's inside of the 1 hour fair value gap. Maybe I'm going to put it to break even if it breaks below 27, so I can reduce my risk. Yeah. If we break below 20, I mean, yeah, 27.75, I might just put it to break even, and I don't care if it takes me out. I don't know. I just don't like this place here. I think this is still very, very bullish, very strong. This is a counter trend trade. This is very bullish. The whole day is very bullish. We can even go up to 800s or 900s today, guys. Keep that in mind. NQ can do it any moment. I don't like this. I might even put it to break even right now. Okay, I'm putting it to break even. I put it to break even, I don't care. This is a very, very risky short trade, guys. Very, very, very risky. The only thing I'm considering to do here is I'm going to modify this and only peel off one contract. So I'm going to leave it as a runner. If this one would start to tank by some reason, I'm going to leave one runner on. But I think it's going to take me out at break even. So, you know. Please, guys, can you help me out by pushing the like button? It's free to do, and it's helping out the stream with a great deal. Thank you so much. I'd like to push this channel a little bit, and it would be a great gesture for you guys, from you guys, if you can help me out by pushing the like button. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed already, please consider to subscribe. I'm here every day. We're streaming London and New York too. We used to have some good conversations, and yeah, you know, building up the community, and I'm happy for every one of you guys for being here. So by the way, if you subscribe and you don't see the alert go off, it's because your YouTube is set to private and Streamlabs is not seeing you being subscribed. But feel free anytime to text in the chat. I'm happy to give you a shout out as a new member on the channel. Oh, look at that. Now it's going back. It's gonna take me out. It's gonna take me out. Muhammad, hey there. Let me give you an applause. Welcome. Welcome on the channel. Muhammad, have you been here before? The name sounds a little bit familiar. Zero G, just subscribe. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, you were. Thanks for the sub. Every day. I know, but there is someone else with the same name. Yeah, but there is someone else with the same name. Maybe he writes it a little bit differently, Muhammad. Yeah, I mean, I'm sorry I didn't recognize you there. It's a good thing that I see a lot of people. I mean, just like my name, it's very rare, right? Like, I don't know. I mean, sorry about that, Muhammad. Sorry. Sorry. And we're opened up for memberships too. Our only member is Trader Oracle, so don't make him feel lonely. All right. Happy for everyone, guys. Looking for these shorts. Super risky trade. I think it's going to take me out at break even. So actually, I'm going to connect these orders. Oh, yeah, I can't because it's only one contract. Anyway, I think it's going to take me out at break even. I wanted to see a sharp and steep drop all the way down to this 1 hour fair value gap to completely balance it. But it's just not happening right now. NQ tweaking out. Well, yeah, Bob. I agree. I mean, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what's happening. This is gonna take me out, unfortunately. I really wanted to see this go through that 1 hour fair value gap, but it seems like we're not gonna get it. Not right now. 68 watching. Let's go. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I know you're looking for longs. So we're a little bit against each other, but hey, who cares? Oh my god, I see on my OBS we have 72 viewers. Thank you so much. I think it's an all-time high today. 72 viewers on my stream. I never seen this much viewer before. Thank you so much everyone for being here. We are in a trade, but unfortunately I think we're gonna get taken out at break even. So we're still looking for some opportunities though. But we would just need a sharp drop and it could burst through that 19 level, but I think it's gonna spike higher. NQ is very, very 77. Oh my god, 77 viewers, guys. Never seen this many viewers. Ijas, hey there. This is like an honor. Thank you so much, guys, for being here on the stream. If you can, please push the like button. This is the time. If everyone pushing the like button, it's helping out the stream to be, for the YouTube algorithm to spread the word, you know. Thank you so much, and consider to subscribe. Stream every day, and on my way on the journey to get payouts with prop firms. If somebody is new, I'm gonna tell you I have 2 funded accounts with TOPSTEP, but trying to build up funded accounts at My Funded Futures, BULENOX, and Apex too. And on my way hopefully for payouts, but right now still on evaluation accounts. You can check the progress on the daily recaps. And what else? Oh, I'm out from the trade, unfortunate. And so I'm journaling my trades, and yeah, and you guys can follow the progress. And oh my god, I'm just a little bit flattered about all these viewers. And now took out my stop loss, and now it's just going down. What the hell, man? Morning from Boston. Good morning to you as well. Bouncing off. Yeah, look at this. Took my stop and it's going down. And also, since I'm the only income, I mean the best income I have right now I'm full-time dedicated to being here every day and trade. If you guys can help out the stream, just use my links and codes. There are very good discounts going on with these prop firms, so you're welcome to use it. Look at that. Took out my stop and going down. Oh my god. The FOMO is real, guys. The FOMO is real. I have no orders, I hope. Yeah, I'm flat. I have no orders. Damn. I really thought that, you know, this one's just gonna burst through down there to the 15-minute fair value gap, but just didn't yet. I think it took me out to the tick, like boom, and then go down. I'm not jumping in now to this one because the risk to reward is off. So I'm not taking a trade. I mean, I would like to, but I'm not jumping in right now. If I jump in here and it goes against me, that is something, you know, that we're not doing. That is a thing that we're not doing. Oh, well, it is what it is. It is what it is, guys. Now I'm hoping that it will go up, you know. Yeah, Nasdaq City, definitely. It's definitely doing that. So, anyways, I'm really flattered for all of you guys being here. Don't Tom, I'm still shorting. Oh, look at that. If you're short, I mean, my target would be at 619. So this swing low is a good target to be broken. If you have multiple contracts, you should peel off some profits here, and you can hold it for the 15-minute fair value gap down there, or even down to midnight level. This is so frustrating. It goes to my original target as I wanted it to go. But, you know, we can't force it. We just can't force it. But it's going. It's going for sure. Let's just measure the possible risk to reward opportunities here. If you entered here and you put the stop up here, you could you still could have a 1 to 2 risk to reward at 616. Right down there. Look at this textbook trade, and I got out with a break even. Oh my god. I tell you guys, this is FOMO. FOMO at its best. And I put it to break even, actually a little bit down, and took me out. Oh my god. It's terrible. It's terrible. Oh yeah, what's it? The Fibonacci, yeah. Day 5, day 7, yeah. Should be going down to the 15-minute fair value gap, hopefully. Hopefully. So, yeah. Check out Apex Trader, by the way. Still has the 80% off, so. BULENOX still has the 90% sale, but only for the first month. Don't forget it, guys. Only for the first month. Okay. I feel FOMO. Actually, the micro was a little bit higher. Took me out right here. Damn it. Feels bad, man. Feels bad. Well, on to the next one, as they say, right? On to the next setup. If you look at the 15-minute, there is a fair value gap down there. I'm not sure if we're going to reach that. Eight a.m. London Open, change of direction. Why would no one take it? Nothing to do with FOMO. Well, actually, I know what you're saying there. I know what you're referring to, but oh. I mean, I'm not saying it can't go down there, but the probabilities are lower right now. We have equal lows here on the 1 minute, but the probabilities are definitely lower. Just saying. You know, because if I would have entered here to jump into that 15-minute gap, it can still spike higher. The optimal entry was up here. This is not optimal entry, so probabilities are lower. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. Yeah, there are a lot of opportunities, that's for sure. Yeah, I'm 100% sure we're gonna have some good optimal entries later, even later today or tomorrow on Friday. So just gotta be patient. The best opportunity today for me was here, which I took, and unfortunately, actually I broke my own rules because I never or rarely put my position to break even because of what just happened. So when I put my positions to break even, usually it goes back, takes me out, and goes to the target. Happened so many times. And that's why if you ask me, should you put it to break even? I say no. Don't put your trade to break even. If it takes you out, it takes you out. At least you will know if you were correct or not, because now I know I was correct, but all I gained is FOMO. I left with a FOMO. It's not good. It's not healthy. So yeah. Exactly, Muhammad. Exactly. I'm gonna actually put it out. I'm gonna actually put this to my Twitter right now. I'm gonna put this to Twitter right now at this second. Copy paste it. Sometimes stop loss is better than break even. I copy pasted it from the chat. There you go. I just tweeted it out. If you have a higher win rate and didn't take, yeah, I have actually a higher win rate if I don't put it to break even. So what I did there by putting it to break even is just only because of fear, frustration, confusion, and by not following my rules. So yes, I exited with break even, so I didn't lose, but I would take a stop loss anytime instead of a break even. But at least I know if my analysis was correct or wrong. And that confidence is priceless, guys. That confidence is priceless. McLovin, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Welcome. Good to see you, my man. By the way, if anyone has not subscribed yet, please do so. Consider to join my VIP member list. That's going to be... I mean, by the way, to the members area, I'm going to be uploading content. It's going to be raw content only from IRL trading related, but also like a vlog type of content. We're gonna talk about some stuff there. So if anyone wants to join the membership and support the stream and the channel, you're welcome to do so. That was also a commercial. Now look at that. If I would enter here, I would be screaming right now up there. I missed all the move from yesterday. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about that move from yesterday. It's absolutely fine. Don't worry about that move. And by the way, if we're talking about commercials, oh, this is not it. Which one is that? Don't forget, if you use my code at the starter accounts at MyFunded Futures, you don't just get the account 30% cheaper on the starters, but you get the activation fee for only $104. And if you need the reset, you get it for $70. If you go, you just have to go through my link and use my code. And that's how simple it is. MyFunded Futures upgraded the code, and I'm thankful for them to do that. It's a good opportunity, even for a starter account. So go check it. All right. Greg. Yeah. My TOPSTEP X was not placing any orders, so just stayed out. Oh. Still hoping that I can pass. Well, you know, I think with enough discipline, anybody can. I mean, hopefully. If I could pass it, you know, and I could pull out money from TOPSTEP, I think with discipline, everyone can. That's a fact. That's a fact. Yeah. So I'd love to say that we're on to our next trade, but we just have to wait right now. Please, guys, just give me like a minute or two. I have to grab a quick coffee, and I'll be right back. All right, just don't go anywhere. Please like the stream, and I'll be right back with a new coffee. Subscribe, like, use the links. You know the drill, and let's go for some entries. All right, I'll be right back. All right. Let's see. We had a market structure shift, right? Doesn't seem too convincing. It feels more bearish right now at this point. Where can we go? So, if I would have left the trade like this, the stop there. Wow. Interesting. Interesting. Let's look at the 5-minute. ES also up, relative equal lows on ES. This one can drop a little bit more, right? Down to let's see, down here maybe. Interesting. That's like $60 risk. Yeah, let's see. Is it doing anything here on these levels? Nothing, right? Is it gonna drop or is it gonna continue higher? That's what we don't know. Still feels a little bit heavy, but not sure. Let me know what you guys think. If it wants to drop, it should go through maybe even the midnight level, but depends on how hard they are shorting it. That level should be at 07, maybe 08. Maybe all the way down to the 08s. 08, yeah. Could be down. That fair value gap is down there still. Five-minute equal low at 614. Yeah, I noticed that too. We have equal lows down there. Also, if you look at ES, there are equal lows on ES too. And lower, so I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it needs a healthy retest of those lows. Not sure. Not sure. This could be a possible long entry too. But I don't know. Oh my god, they are drilling. They are drilling right now. Super loud. Maybe I'm gonna have to have one of these on. Oh my god. I don't know what I... Okay. Okay. What the? How about if I put these on? Like this. Then I would not be hearing them, but you guys would be still hearing them. So I could do this with this huge ear. I could be like Dr. Disrespect and I just have to get a beard. No, mustache. Oh my god. Maybe we're just shorting to correction. That's why it's very slow. Yeah, could be. Could be. This one could be a possible target, that 15-minute fair value gap. So yeah. Just a quick text message. So yeah, it still goes down to that 15-minute. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Now it should be reaching down there. It's like a few points away. Relative equal lows there. Yeah. It's like 2 points. You can do that actually. It's very close. Very, very close. After that, I'm not sure where it can go. Let's do this. Also, by the way, forgot to say you can consider using TOPSTEP. If you click my link, you can get a 20% discount. Just saying, we're not talking about too much. TOPSTEP, we love TOPSTEP. It's a great company, so get your discount there as well. Grab it while you can. Just grab it. I know you want to. Oh. I'm gonna sneeze. Erkan, good morning. Close the short. Congratulations, Muhammad. Congratulations on your short. I know you were holding it, and that was a great discipline from you. So, congrats. Erkan, how you doing? What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? All right. All right, all right. You're fine. Yeah, I think you did good. Now fire. Well, if it's good, then I hope, you know. If you mean that it's a good thing, then good for you. This 15-minute fair value gap is still not being taken. Look at it. It's also visible on the 5-minute beautifully. Yeah, on the 5-minute too. Much more visible on the 15-minute. I think it's a good target if you guys want to enter, you know. with the good risk to reward, you can still do so. Why not? You know? Why not? It's like down there at 06. So should be okay. Definitely an interesting area to look for. Actually, it starts from, where is it starting from? The 15-minute gap. The low is at 18, no, sorry, 06.50. So 06.50 should be a possible target. Coordinates 06.50, there you go. That can happen. Very juicy, looks good. TOPSTEP is having a sale next 2 days. 5,000 accounts at 50%. There you go. Oh yeah, the TOPSTEP X. There, it's really going on right now. I open you HH, yeah, higher high, yeah. Go back to 540. Yeah, it can happen. It can happen. Yeah, TOPSTEP is pushing TOPSTEP X. Oh, I mean, why shouldn't they? It's their own platform. So the only reason I'm not using the TOPSTEP X because I'm copy trading between multiple prop firms, and so yeah. That's the reason. That's the reason. All right, now we can go for that fair value gap at 06. It wouldn't take too much. Just a little bit of drop here, and we will be through. I grabbed fine. Nice. Very good, Erkan. Very good. You have to watch their live. Oh, you have to watch them live. Oh yeah, I get it. I get it. They're gonna pull out the form at a random time as they usually do. I get it. No commission. Why not get a few accounts? Of course, I understand. Absolutely. Absolutely. Coho. You can also copy trade. Yeah, but I copy trade between multiple prop firms, so not just TOPSTEP. I copy trade between BULENOX, Apex, TOPSTEP, my funded futures. So they don't let me do that with multiple separate prop firms, especially not prop firms. So yeah. Yeah, I checked it out, by the way, at a friend of mine. I joined yesterday Fire Drill to get free reset. Can't wait to gambling again. Just be careful with gambling, man. Just be careful with that. Not gaming, but increase. There you go. Now you said it right. Increasing the risk to reward. Now that's being said perfectly. You can use your TOPSTEP X account with other platforms. Yeah, you cannot. You cannot. Yeah. Belong to accounts because I was gambling. Yeah, it happens to all of us. You know, there was a sale. There's still a sale with BULENOX, 90% off. So you can get a 50K account for $17.50. And you can connect through NinjaTrader or Quantower. And I bought a few BULENOX accounts after I lost 4 accounts last week, and there's a video. Actually, it kind of blew up on my channel because I never thought this many people are going to be interested in that. But I made huge mistake last week, so I wanted to regain at least 1 or 2 accounts. So I bought a few, actually 3, at BULENOX, and I managed to I blown one BULENOX account, and I managed to trade two BULENOX accounts over $2,000. One is about $2,600 right now, and the other is about 2,300 something, I think. TOPSTEP X. What's TOPSTEP X accounts for? That's their own platform, Camille. For now, BULENOX seemed to be reliable. The support is helpful. They were answering. I did not get a payout from BULENOX, but I know a trader who got payout from BULENOX last year too, and this year too. So they are paying. The support was helpful always. They are having cheap accounts. So right now there is a 90% sale. But only for the first month. Please do not forget that, because the 50K account is $175 per month, and it has an intraday trailing stop, which is, I have no issue with that. I've talked about it so much. I have no problem with the intraday trailing stop. But BULENOX, you can get a 50K account for $17, but only for the first month, just for the first month. So keep that in mind. So either way, if you're not making it in 30 days, you should just blow the account or whatever. Just terminate, cancel the subscription, because you're gonna get rebilled with $170, and it's a little bit more than 70. So let's just keep that in mind. BULENOX is reliable so far, but the biggest names in the market right now is My Funded Futures, Apex, and TOPSTEP. And I'm looking to trade with Take Profit Trader and or Elite Trader, because I want to separate and diversify my portfolio, quote unquote portfolio, of evaluation accounts and funded accounts. I have funded accounts with TOPSTEP. You can check my video. I pulled out a few $1,000s at the end of the year with TOPSTEP. This year I only pulled out $350 from my TOPSTEP Express account. Not too much success, I'm gonna tell you. This year was a little bit bumpy since January, but I'm building up my new evaluation accounts with multiple prop firms. That's the goal. That's why I'm journaling it. But I'm here every day, so that's why you guys can help the journey. Thank you. I don't think they're doing 4.5. Yeah, I'm not sure about the $4 promotion anymore yet. Yeah. Next year, I bet you can get an account for free, then pay some activation fee. Everyone is competing against each other. Yeah, the prop firm space is pretty much saturated, so the competition is big, I think. So, and prop firms are coming out from nowhere, actually. But the thing is that I trust more in the futures prop firms, a little bit more, especially the OG ones, because they are regulated. For example, TOPSTEP is in regulation with the CFTC and the SEC, also Apex. I think My Funded Future has done the same too. Don't quote me on that, because I still have to do some more research, but I know for sure that Apex and TOPSTEP is doing it, and I think My Funded Futures too. But this is a regulated market. They have to obey to the requirements. TOPSTEP is in business since 2012 as a prop firm. Regulations apply to them. They are working together with the CF. So that is, for me, is assuring. Also, so these companies are good. BULENOX is fairly new. It's a smaller prop firm, but so far no issues with them. They are paying. And I guess that's it. So yeah, since I got to futures from Forex, everything has been changing in a positive way for me. So I'm definitely sticking with futures. And I know the Forex prop firms are having issues this year since my Forex funds were shut down. But we talked about it last year a lot before it was shut down, that the Forex prop firms are going to have issues with the regulators, not just in US, but in Europe too. So I think this was inevitable, but I transitioned to futures last year before this all this mess, and yeah, I think it's gonna happen. Done for London. Got things to do since, yeah. So grateful in your session during last. Yeah, it was a great session. If you know what to do, get to manage my time. Yeah, TOPSTEP started it all. Yeah, TOPSTEP started. FTMO used to trade with them. Yeah, yeah. TOPSTEP is an OG, and Apex is OG too, by the way. So the biggest OGs in futures is TOPSTEP and Apex, and I like TOPSTEP too. I do like them. They are paying out huge amounts of money each and every month, and that proves that their business model is working. I think my funded futures has the opportunity to rise up to the top. I think it's already in the top 5 prop firms. I do like all their services, so my funded futures is definitely going for that top. So check it out. And also, again, here's the commercial. My funded futures, my code is upgraded to 30% off with the starter account, and the activation fees also, you get it for $104 instead of $149. So the activation fees also working with my code. Check it out, and you can still support the stream with a few dollars of affiliate commissions, because right now this is the only thing that keeps my channel alive. So thank you so much. That was the commercial. TOPSTEP is reliable. Nothing to trade, actually. The only target I have here is this 606.50 level, which is about 10 points away. Yeah. Yesterday, if you did not grab your static account from my funded futures, well, it was a huge deal. I mean, static account for $140 or $60 with the discount, 30K static account, that was a super huge deal. And I mean, not even drawdown, static, and very good payout policy. By the way, the payout policy right now, the best one is at TOPSTEP and my funded futures, because my funded futures also said that if you click on the withdrawal, then they immediately deduct your profits from your trading account. And even if you blow the account after that, you will still have your profits. This is a huge deal, guys, because I love Apex, but when you register for a withdrawal, they are going to leave your profits on your trading account until the day when they issuing the actual wire transfer, which means if until that day you blow your account or go down to the threshold or whatever, they're just going to deny your payout. That's it, because they know you're going to continue to gamble and trade. It's no problem with that. That's a business model, but payout policy, the best right now is at my funded futures. The first place in payout policy is my funded futures. I love TOPSTEP too, but TOPSTEP puts you in a psychological pressure that you have to make $200 or more on a given day and 5 days. That is a psychological pressure for a trader, because that's what you're going to concentrate to. That's just concentrating on the $200. While at my funded futures, you just have to reach that withdrawal threshold and you can take out the money. That's it. That's how simple. I mean, it psychologically it's much more simpler with my funded futures. But that's my own 2 cents. So, but every prop firm has their perks and features. You can choose your own. I think they're good. No, 5 days. 5 days. It's not. It doesn't have to be in a row. 5 days, any time during your trading career. If you have a 200-day, and the next 200 days is gonna come after 10 more days, or even after losses, then that's gonna be your second day. So you can do the 5 days anytime during your trading, anytime. Eventually, you will have trading days over $200 if you're good. So you will have it. But many people are concentrating on the first days and just make it through 200, make it through 200, and that is an edge against you, you know. And I understand it. I understand it. It doesn't have to be in a row. You can do it anytime. You can even have losses in between, whatever. Yeah, 5,700 people passed Combine last week. That is huge, but from that 5,700 people, I think maybe 50 people is gonna get to a payout. Trust me on that. Trust me, about 50 or 60 people, so about 1% is gonna get to a payout, an actual payout. Trust me. Trust me. That is so. Those are the numbers, guys. Those are the numbers. You have to accept it. 1%. Maybe 2. If I am very optimistic, if I'm very, very optimistic, I'm going to say maybe 2% is going to get to a payout. Imagine how many activation fee is that. Yeah, there you go, Coho. You just said it before me. Yeah, imagine how many activation fee. So if you get like 100 people, and I'm very, very optimistic, like super optimistic. If you get 100 people for a payout of, how much is that? Let's do a calculation. For example, let's assume that on average, 100 people get on average like a $600 payout. And I'm very optimistic because the sooner they can, they pull out a few $100s. So 100 times $600, that's $60,000. But let's be more optimistic. Let's say 100 people take out $1,200. That's only just $120,000 on payout. Yet they gained $850,000 on activation fees. So trust me, they're gonna pay out. They're gonna pay out those people easily, super easy. That, yeah, exactly. I mean, exactly. Those are the numbers. Hey, Giri. Hi, Tom. I'm just trying to buy BULENOX with your code. It's not working. I'm trying to buy. Oh, the option 2. Let me show you, Giri, just a second. All right. At BULENOX, for the option 2, the option 2 is different. Yeah, I forgot to say that. It's my fault. I take responsibility for that. Here you go. Let me show you, Giri. The Tom Sabo 1 code is only good for option 1 accounts. I forgot to say that because they're always changing the rules. The Tom Sabo 1 code is only good with the 90%. The option 2 accounts are only having the Tom Sabo 3 code with 58% discount only. So that goes for option 2. Everybody's buying the option 1 accounts with the code. I know it's intraday trailing stuff. It's trailing stuff? Come on, man, I can't talk. Intraday trailing stuff. But it's that's the 90%. So if you want option 2, that's only a 58%, that it goes for Tom Sabo 3. That's why I said in the description down there and also in the Streamlabs chat, in the chat window, that go through Tom Sabo 1 to Tom Sabo 6, because sometimes we have 6 options. Now there are 4 options. So Tom Sabo 1 is for option 1. Tom Sabo 2 is not working for option 2. Tom Sabo 3. If you want to try out the option 2 accounts, but it's 58% the discount on that right now. The option 1 is very popular. Market goes down. Oh, whoa! Look at that. Hey, actually, I have no entry here, so no entry. Tired of hearing about prop firms all time with every trader live while trading goes down. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry, I was talking too much. I'm sorry, but I really take the fall for that. You are right. I'm talking too much about prop firms. Thank you, Mike. But we had no entry, so that's why I was not really interested to take a trade here, because there was no entry here. The risk to reward was off, even if I was looking at the 1 minute. The optimal trade entry was up there. Even if you wanted to enter with a not too good risk to reward, was maybe here. But otherwise, by taking out this 15-minute fair value gap, it was only this option. So right now, there's not much to do. I mean, that's why I told you guys that the only thing that you can do is maybe enter here, and that's it. So Iron's fun with, sorry about that. I understand. I understand. Frustrated. I'm talking too much about prop firms. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Understandable. I deserve the dislike there. Yeah. All right. This went down. You're absolutely right, by the way. And I actually got this from direct messages too, and in emails too. And you guys are right, and always tell me to stop talking about prop firms, because I got messages that, hey guy, we like you, you're a good person and everything. We like how you trade, but you're talking too much about prop firms. So you're right. So you're right. Anyway, I don't want to humble myself, but that's the truth. You know, that's the truth. We should be taking out Asia low at yeah. You must first make money on prop firms and then go open live account. If you cannot get paid from prop firm, well, stop wasting time and search a job. Yeah, it's actually, yeah. I mean, that's why they are also good. Good vehicle. Prop firms are a good vehicle for that. So I would definitely not be jumping into a short here, because we're at the midpoint here. So if it would shift higher, then maybe we can look for a long. But you know, we're starting to get to the end of the kill zone. Anyway, by the way, guys, I'm gonna be here in the New York session too, but I might be only able to get back around 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, because I have some stuff to do. I would be super glad if some of you guys could join me back in the New York session. Why even open a live account if you're successful at props, not point in risk? I absolutely agree with Wetmild. If you're successful in prop firms, why open a live account? Why risk your own money if you can risk the prop firm's money and you can play by the rules? If you do good risk management, then, you know, why would you risk your own money if you have a funded account? That's a very logical question, I think. If you have a funded account, why should we put real money in a trading account? But I understand. Yeah. So guys, I'll be around 9 a.m. I'm gonna be a little bit late. I have to go to another town and do some business, and so I'll be back for the open. I would be super happy if some of you guys could join me back in the New York session. But for now, I think this is it. I have to cut the stream because I have to go. I'm not taking more trades. I feel a little bit FOMO because of this. I took me out at break even and then went down. It could have been a 1 to 2 risk to reward trade, but I'm out at break even. But you know, on to the next one, and that's how it goes. I'm so grateful for everyone for being here, and I'm sorry if I'm talking too much about prop firms. Please don't dislike me because of that. I'm talking too much, I know about that. Subscribe, push the like button, please, if you can. And you know, see you guys in the London session tomorrow as well, but today in the New York session. Join me back if you can. And again, thank you so much for being here and supporting. We had over 77 viewers at the point, and I'm very glad about that. Thank you for the support. Live, you have no, well, you have some pressure in live, yeah, but yeah. All right, guys, I have to leave. You can continue to chat, but I have to go. Love you all. It was a great stream. Thank you for all the viewers, and join me back in New York Open. All right, thank you so much. You guys are awesome. You guys are the greatest. Thank you. See you guys.